Hey guys, this video is to show you how to take notes for the Social Issues Research Project. This document that you should already have open is going to be really important for this project because this is where you are going to keep track of all of your sources and all of your information. So I'm going to walk you through how to take notes on this document. And I want to start by showing you these three links. These are the three databases from the Cooper Media Center that I talked about in the 5.2 video. And these are where you are going to be finding your sources and finding your information for your research. So go ahead and just click on the link for the first one. This is called Points of View. So you're just going to have to click Login again and then scroll down to where it says Points of View. This is the database we are trying to get to. So click Points of View, and then you will get to this screen. So all of the databases are going to have like a search bar right up here where you can just type in your topic and click search, and it'll give you sources to look through. So for example, I'm going to pretend that my topic is climate change. So climate change, and then I'm going to click search. So right away, I see that there's a bunch of sources here that I can go through. So what I want you to do is do some exploring. I'm going to click on the first one. It says it's an overview of climate change, so that seems like a good thing for me to look into. Up at the top, you are probably going to see the author, so who wrote this article. It lists sources, and then some key subjects that are covered in the article. And then you can scroll down. An abstract, this is probably going to be at the top of most of your articles. An abstract is like a paragraph that summarizes what the article is about. So you could read that if you wanted to see kind of what information you should expect. Remember, we learned about Lexile earlier in the book club unit, and a lot of these articles list their Lexile level, so how difficult is the language and the reading level. But then you can actually scroll down and see this is the article. This is the source. So this is where you would be getting your information from. You can also listen. I know a lot of us like to listen to the audio read to us as we read it. And you can see right here, right away, it says climate change refers to the increase in the Earth's average temperature. This seems like good information that I might want to use for my research. It seems like it defines a lot of good terms like fossil fuels and greenhouse gases. This seems like a really good source. So if I wanted to use this for my notes, what I would do is go over here to the right-hand side. It says permalink. You're going to click on permalink, and then it is going to give you a link for this source. I want you to copy and paste. So copy that link, go back to your notes, scroll down, and this is where you're going to paste that link, okay? So where on the column here that says web address, URL, that is where you are copy and pasting the links that you find. Once you are ready to start actually taking notes, right now your job is just to start with finding three sources. So you'll go back and find another source and put that link here. Once you've found your source and you're ready to start taking notes, that's when you're actually going to go back to this article and say, this looks like a really good fact right here about ozone. I'm going to copy that. Copy and paste, and you'll copy it directly into your notes. This is where it says information from source. So this column right here is where you're copy and pasting information from the article, directly from the article. Paraphrased into your own words, the final box right here in the row is where you are going to put that information into your own words so that you are not paraphrasing. You're not plagiarizing. You are paraphrasing. All right, so that is how you're going to take notes on this chart. As you can see, you are going to need 20 notes, so 20 rows filled out. And your notes are going to be your mid-unit summative, so you'll be submitting this on Wednesday, May 17th, and you'll get some summative points for doing that. Again, you're going to be graded on how noteworthy this information is, how accurate and academic your paraphrasing is, and there's a rubric at the bottom that you can look at as well. So one final thing, I should have probably talked about this at the beginning, but this is another good place for you to start your notes. You put your topic right here. So if you were doing climate change, you would put your topic. And then this is where you are going to start asking some good research questions. So what kind of information do you want to know about your topic? For example, if I was doing climate change, maybe I would say, what causes climate change? What are the causes? What are the solutions? Things like that. So you need at least 3 research questions, but you should do 4 or 5. All right. So let me know if you have any questions as you're taking notes. 5.2 is, remember, just finding 3 sources and putting those links in this box. And then 5.3 will actually get into paraphrasing and starting to write our notes. All right, good luck.